First, always cleanse your hands using a hand sanitizer. Ensure the client can see this being done, as it offers them peace of mind as to the standard of hygiene you will be offering throughout the service. Now, using a lint-free pad saturated in hand sanitizer, cleanse over the client's hand. Remember to always check for skin condition, cuticle condition, and look for any contraindications. Take a lint-free pad and saturate it in nail polish remover. Hold directly onto the nail, agitate slightly, and wipe off toward the free edge. Again, check for nail condition, the condition of the cuticles, and look for any contraindications. Using a 180 grit nail file, shape the nail into the shape that matches the stop point of the tip you will be applying. Try and hold the file at a 45-degree angle, and remember to file in only one direction to prevent damage to the nail. Now repeat this on all 10 nails. Bevel the nail by using downward strokes towards the free edge of the nail. This will seal the free edge and prevent flaking. Now repeat this on all 10 nails. Using the paddle end of a dual-ended cuticle tool, lift any excess cuticle off the nail plate, and then turn the tool around and using the knife end, scrape the excess cuticle away. Remember to make sure all your cuticle work is dry, otherwise the product will lift. Try not to force the cuticle away, it could still be attached to live cuticle. You can use cuticle nippers to remove any excess cuticle still left on the nail, but remember, only use the nippers if necessary and where necessary, and never pull with the nippers, this could cut the client. Now repeat all the cuticle work on the second hand. Take a sanding block and gently remove the surface shine from the nail. Now size up the tips for each finger. Always ensure the side of the tips fit snugly in the side walls of the natural nail. Apply nail glue to the contact area of the tip. Now the tips should be applied to the natural nail using a 45-degree sweeping action. Applying the tips at this angle will help to prevent air bubbles forming between the natural nail and the tip. Hold the tip in place for a few seconds. This will allow full adhesion. Then use the tip cutters to cut the tip to the client's desired length. Always be careful to make sure the screw of the tip cutters is pointing towards you, otherwise you may injure the client. The tip is newly bonded to the nail, so always support the client's finger and the tip firmly when cutting tips to length. Take a 180 grit file and use it to refine the side walls of the tip. Start to shape the nail into the shape the client has requested. Now blend the tip into the natural nail. To prevent damage to the natural nail, always line the edge of the file with the seam line of the tip. Slide down the side wall of the nail to blend the corners of the tip. Tilting the file toward the client will prevent thinning of the tip. Work the file back and forth across the seam line until it has completely disappeared. The join should be undetectable. Now repeat this on all the nails.